Hi everyone, I'm Wafalango and welcome you all in Grammar in Detail. We have got the next structure that is known as may have plus third form of the verb, and you can say that it is the past of may, and it is less stressable than can. In secondary level, it gives the meaning of present, and may have is the past of may. So let's start active voice and passive voice sentences of may. Let me tell you one thing that active voice and passive voice sentences we have. In active voice, subject does something. In passive voice, subject is affected. We know when subject is affected, instead of object, that will not be called object, that will be called agent, because we have learned the rules that in subject when subject takes the place of object, that will be called agent, and when object takes the place of subject, that will be called the title subject or topic subject. The title or the topic subject which we are talking about, that is known as the title or topic subject. And what is the definition of title subject? A person, place or a thing in a sentence which we are talking about. So here we are talking about E, and here we are talking about they, and here your doer of an action is you, and here by are. So let's begin simple sentences. What are simple sentences? Those sentences which make simple sentences statement are called simple sentences. Formula for that is subject may have plus third form object and full stop. In passive voice, formula is subject may have been plus third form by agent and full stop. He may have beaten him. You may have beaten him. He may have been beaten by you. She may have taunted them. They may have been taunted by her. And may, you know that we discussed in modal auxiliary verb, it has got the percentage of 30%. It means quite less opportunity of an action to be done. Now, negative sentences, those sentences in which we deny the statement, reject the statement, and refuse the statement. You may not have beaten him. He may not have been beaten by you. She may not have taunted them. They may not have been taunted by her. Interrogative sentences, those sentences in which we ask question and put queries are called interrogative sentences. May you have beaten him. May he have been beaten by you. May she have taunted them. May they have been taunted by her. Next we have got formal sentences, those sentences in which we ask question, deny the statement, we ask them in a formal way, polite way, respective way, are called formal sentences. May you not have beaten him. May he not have been beaten by you. May she not have taunted them. May they not have been taunted by her. Last we have got informal sentences, those sentences in which we ask question, deny the statement, and we ask them in a informal way. In friendly atmosphere, we use it with juniors, youngers, and with one whom you are free with and close with. And may not, when come together, may not is changed into meant. Meant you have beaten him. Meant he have been beaten by you. Meant she have taunted them. Meant they have been taunted by her. May she have taunted them, and meant she have taunted them, meant they have been taunted by her. So these are the sentences of modal auxiliary verb as a structure may have plus third form, from active voice into passive voice. If you like the video, press the bell icon and subscribe the channel for more videos. See you next time with next lecture. Goodbye.